There is a brand new release coming on April the 1st from Planything. Let's check it out together. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I'm excited to share with you a brand new release from Sweet Amber from Planything. I just love her postcards. They are adorable. All the ways to find Amber are on here. She is fabulous, and she has a new release. Let's just take a little sneaky peek. I believe we have two brand new sticker books releasing on April the 1st, and I'm going to flip through them, and then maybe let's do a plan with me afterwards. So let's check it out. Now, don't forget, I do have an affiliate link for Planything, and I also have a code that will save you on your order. So don't forget to use that code when you check out. Otherwise, let's flip through. All right, two brand new sticker books. We all know we're going to love this one. This is called Black Alphabet. Are you kidding me? Of course. We're going to use all the things from Black Alphabet. That's like the perfect sticker book. Look at this. This is clear sticker paper. What a beautiful font. Look at some of those A's. I like how there's some variations. So they're not all the same. You can kind of pick and choose how you want to emphasize. All on clear sticker paper. Great sizing on these two. And lots of each letter, which is fantastic. Oh, good. I was wondering, I was like, there's not very many S's. There's some more S's. Good. Whew. That is one I use all the time. What letter do you think you use the most? It's got to be a vowel, right? That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking one of the vowels, but S is probably right up there too. Oh, this is cool. This has a very cool feel to it. I love in all capitals with the moon and the stars mixed in, some fun symbols. And again, I like the variations. Each letter is not the same each and every time, which is pretty nice. This is a nice bold font and pretty small. So like these are the capital letters right here, 3/4 of an inch maybe. That's beautiful. All of these on clear. So this is a book you're gonna grab for over and over. Look at the beautiful with the leaves. This feels very springy to me. It's really well done. Very cool. I use E's a lot. Maybe it's the E. Oh, this one. I love this dropped look for some of the letters. I think it looks very cool. Super pretty. I think the largest letter, those are around like an inch-ish. Great size for your planner. These are pretty small. That's nice to mix those in. That's really, you guys, I could use like 14 copies of this sticker book. I would use each and every one of those fonts in my planner. They are so, so nice. Love the Black Alphabet sticker book. That one is a great one. It's definitely going to find its way into my plan with me. Let's check out Sunny Days. All right, next up we have Sunny Days. Now, I don't think I've said this before. What I like about Amber's sticker books is they aren't like so big where it's overwhelming to have that much of one theme. I hope that makes sense. So some sticker books, it's a million pages of a theme, which is a lot of fun, but you get tired of that theme. Amber's, I feel like, are the perfect size. It's not too much. You're not so overwhelmed that you're gonna like never use all those stickers. I feel like these are books that you can use and appreciate, and then you don't have to live in that book forever, because we all know that new products come out all of the time and you're always going to have fun new things, fun new additions. But like let's use it and appreciate it, and then get a new theme, which I absolutely adore. This definitely has like all of the summer feels for sure. Sunny Days, 15 sticker sheets in here. Beautiful beach, very watercolor-esque. This is on clear sticker paper, by the way. Loving loving the waves. Those are beautiful. So pretty. Now we have a little closer, like a poolside look. I love like the kiddie pool. This is like your above ground pool in your backyard. Fun summer vibes, beach houses. I like the pink mixed in. That's very pretty. And then some functional stickers. Nice bullet points in there. Beautiful. This is like the cabana life. If only my backyard looked like this. I would not have to travel at all during the summer. Look at the cabanas. Loving this life. That's beautiful. Oh, look at all the floats. Those are cute. I'm digging that. Oh, I love all the floats. That might be my favorite. This one is given all the pink lemonade. All the pink lemonade. Happy, happy, happy for that. Guys, I'm so ready for spring. I'm super ready. Oh, those are beautiful. Those are gorgeous with the pinks and the yellows. Yes, please. Bright colors. Some more pool vibes. This is more cash, I feel like. Oh, look at the little rainbow hanging off of the bag. That's adorable. Ice cream, always a good choice. And then we have World Traveler. You have your little globe, all of the travel stickers. That's super cute. Because sunny days are meant for traveling. Very lovely. Oh, I love the colors she chose. I love that she did these in color and not in black this time. Summer, summer, summer. We're almost there, right? We're almost to summer. All right, so this is the Sunny Days sticker book. I am here for it. I think it is gorgeous. I'm excited to do a plan with me. So don't forget, these release April the 1st. I believe they're going to be available at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I will definitely have a post on here that reminds you, but I do have a coupon code that you can use to shop and an affiliate link down below. Let's do a plan with me. Today I am going to be decorating my bullet journal habit tracking layout. This is a super functional layout and I love just adding a few little details here and there and leaving plenty of room to write. So I'm starting out with some scalloped washi, again from Planything. Love, love, love the washi. Truthfully, I'm going to end up changing my mind on this color. This ends up being a little bit more peachy than I was going for. I needed a little bit more of a light pink and I just go with something different in the end, but that's okay. You'll see how it kind of evolves. This is just a really easy layout to decorate and I think the Planything stickers lend itself nicely to just some simple decor to add fun touches to your planner. It doesn't have to be anything super complicated to enjoy the process of decorating your planner and giving it that seasonal feel. And to me, this feels like a fun summer day. This feels like summer fun in the neighborhood with kind of the blow up pools. No, I don't have palm trees in my neighborhood. That would be cool. But I don't. However, this one feels a little bit just, I don't know, it's simple and kid-like and just light like the summer. All right, you have to put the sun in the upper left-hand corner. It just feels like the right place for it to be. So I'm gonna have that up there. On the left-hand side is generally where I would keep my schedule for the week, maybe a focus or an affirmation of sorts in that upper left-hand corner. And then you have all of the days of the week. On the right-hand side of this spread, you can track different habits, whether it be exercise or just some things that you are working on. You can track them up there in the top box. And then you have two big sections, either for tasks or to-do lists, maybe running shopping lists. It's anything you want over there. There's a lot of freedom in this layout, but it allows you to organize things in a different way, which I very much enjoy. I am laying out my decor stickers in a very simple pattern. You can see I'm kind of doing a zigzag pattern over there on the left. I'm going to make some more room. There's going to be another decor sticker on the left, but I got a little distracted because I knew I wanted to have the beach chair over on the right, like the poolside chair. You have to have that in the umbrella. I figured they would be oriented around an additional box that I could add on to the spread. To me, this box will be perfect for expanding on possibly some weekend plans. Maybe there's some special events, maybe a sports tournament, because that's generally what's happening in all of my weekends. So just kind of expanding on that past what you have on the schedule over there on the left. And now let's just finish up some decor. This goes so easily. I love how Planything, how Amber does such a great job laying out her sticker books. Like I said, I'm going to use all of the decorative stickers here, or almost all of them. And that's amazing because I can enjoy the theming, I can enjoy the spread, I can enjoy the color scheme, and then I get to try a new one next week and a new one next week. And I don't have to repeat the same color scheme throughout the entire summer, which I dig. I like changing things up. Oftentimes, I'm not going to use the same sticker book with the same theme 14 times through the year. I just want a little sampling. And I think that's what the Planything sticker books do so very well. All right, you can see this is where I decide to change up what is happening with the washi, and it's so much better. Switching to the light blue was definitely the way to go. Unfortunately, I had already put this sticker down over top, so it was a little tricky to remove and change the washi, but it all worked out in the end, and the lighter color scheme is like perfection. It's definitely much, much better. And then I'm going to add a little washi to the top of these two functional boxes over here on the right hand side as well. Just an extra little, this scalloped washi is my jam. You'll have to let me know, are you a scalloped washi kind of person, or do you like the grid? It would be hard for me to decide, but I feel like if I were on an island and I only got to have one type of washi, I think it would have to be the scallops. I just love the softness it adds to the spreads. I love how it feels a little bit playful. I'm here for the scalloped washi. I want it in all of the colors. Amber, keep making scallop washi. We're all big fans, or at least I am. So let's add a few functional boxes. We're going to nestle them in with decorative stickers over here. I am going to add a few more decorative stickers. We're going to add bullet points, just making this really usable on the left. I use my planner spreads. I need to write all over them. There's a million and one things going on in our schedule, in our lives. So I definitely need all the space. So a few functional boxes, definitely some bullet points. This particular layout gives me lots of room to keep track of all of the things. So very easy to do the schedule, and then tons and tons of room for me, mostly for note taking on moving, all the things that still need to be done at this house. It's just, you know, it's fun. It's going to be awesome, but it's a busy life. And so I love that I have a sweet decorative planner that is kind of reminding me of some simpler times that are coming up in the summer. All right, so don't forget, this new release goes live on April the 1st, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Even though I didn't use them in this plan with me, I know those black alphabet stickers are going to go fast. So if you're wanting to go and grab those, make sure you are setting your alarm. Don't forget to use my code when you shop to save yourself 10% on your order. And thank you so much for watching today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I do have my Planything affiliate link down in the description box below. It helps me out so much when you are able to shop that link. So thank you in advance. And I want to give a huge shout out to my Patreon community. You all are just the best. We have a great time. There's lots and lots of scary and negative things on the internet, but I can tell you Patreon is a positive, happy place, and we would love to have you over there. Head on over to patreon.com/ScrappyWife to find out more. I hope that you all have a fabulous day, and as always, keep it creative.